हेलो गाइज एन्ड वेलकम टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। आज म फेरि तपाईँहरूलाई एमसिक्युज लिएर आएको छु। यो रेडियोग्राफर फर ब्याचलर तह र पिसिएलको लागि पनि अति नै फलदायक रहेको छ र यो हालै एनएचपिसीको लागि लाइसेन्सको लागि एक्जाम जो दिइरहनु भएको छ उहाँहरूको लागि नै अति नै महत्त्वपूर्ण रहेको छ। ल त अब सुरु गरौँ। Question number 1. A view box for mammographic film should have a brightness of approximately 3.5 foot candles, 3.5 lumens, 3500 lusex or 3500 nits. Answer is D. 3500 nits. The maximum field of view which can be obtained with a specific radiographic system is generally limited by the focal spot size, anode angle or anode length. Answer is anode angle. The X-ray photon energy range which will be the most appropriate and produce the best contrast with iodine is 25 kilo electron volt to 30 kilo electron volt, 30 kilo electron volt to 33 kilo electron volt, 33 kilo electron volt to 40 kilo electron volt, or 60 kilo electron volt to 70 kilo electron volt. Answer is C. 33 to 40 kilo electron volt. For vascular imaging with iodine contrast media, which you should expect to get the best contrast by using 35 kilovolt, 65 kilovolt, 95 kilovolt or 125 kilovolt. Answer is B. 65 kilovolt. For routine chest radiography, you would expect to get the best contrast characteristics by using 35 kilovolt, 65 kilovolt, 95 kilovolt or 125 kilovolt. Answer is 125 kilovolt. The primary factor that limits the maximum MA that can be used during a radiographic exposure is anode angle, focal spot size, cathode temperature or exposure time. Answer is B. Focal spot size. The primary X-ray beam penetration through a patient can be increased by increasing the kV, MAS, film focus distance or beam area. Answer is kV. Relatively low values are used in some X-ray procedure for the purpose of increasing penetration, increasing contrast sensitivity, decreasing patient exposure or decreasing area contrast. Answer is B. Increasing contrast sensitivity. Question 9. Changing the kV from 90 to 70 will generally decrease calcium soft tissue contrast, require an increase in MAS by at least factor 4, increase patient exposure or decrease iodine soft tissue contrast. Answer is C. Increase patient exposure. Changing from 5.1 ratio to a 10.1 ratio grid will decrease patient exposure, increase image contrast, decrease required kV or MAS, or decreased X-ray tube heating. Answer is B. Increase image contrast. The radiographic visibility and contrast of 1 cm soft tissue mass in body would generally be decreased by an increase in all of the following except focal spot size, field of view, kV or object receiver distance. Answer is focal spot size. If a medium speed intensifying screen is replaced with a high speed screen for the purpose of reducing patient exposure, but the same phosphor material should be used, there will be less contrast, visibility of anatomical detail, quantum noise or exposure latitude. Answer is B. Visibility of anatomical detail. 13. The thickness of an intensifying screen has a significant on all of the following except image contrast, image blurring, receptor sensitivity or patient exposure. Answer A. Image contrast. Under processing or under development of radiographic film can be result in increased film sensitivity, contrast, fog, or none of the above. None of the above. The sensitivity of a radiographic film used with an intensifying screen can be affected by all of the following except amount of exposure, exposure time, developer concentration or developer temperature. Answer is amount of exposure. Question number 16. Compared to normal processing conditions, a general radiographic film developed at a higher temperature will have increase in all of the following except sensitivity speed, hyporetention, base plus fog density or density. Answer is B. Hyporetention. If a high-speed radiographic film is substituted for medium-speed film, results would be higher contrast, more visibility of detail because of more blurring, reduced patient exposure, or increased quantum noise. Answer is A. Higher contrast. Factor which would be appropriate for conventional chest radiography are low contrast, 0.1 mm focal spot, 120 kV or 1:1 ratio grid. Answer is 1:1, 120 kV. Sorry, 120 kV. Question 19. Condition which can reduce contrast in general radiographic image include underexposure, overexposure, underdevelopment, or all of the above. All can be the factor which can reduce the contrast. If the kV for abdominal radiograph changes from 80 kV to 90 kV, the MAS is adjusted to give the same film density. The exposure to the patient will increase, the X-ray tube heating will increase, the contrast will increase, the quantum noise will decrease. What is the answer? Potential advantage of using higher kV 90 rather than 70 radiography include all of the following aspects: increase patient exposure, reduce X-ray tube heating, shorter exposure time or decrease area contrast. Answer is increase patient exposure. Same as question number 20. If the kV for using abdominal change from 80 to 90, the MAS is adjusted to give the same film density, the exposure to the patient will increase. Now 22. The single coated X-ray film is used in the following except mammography, CT scan film, skull X-ray radiograph or fluoroscopy film. Single coated. Single coated is used for mammography, CT scan or fluoroscopy, but it is not used for skull X-ray because it requires higher exposure and it requires grid. All of the following are true for dental X-ray film except embossed dot on the film is to keep near the crown of the examination tooth. For corners have sharp angles. Films are protected by lead foils or occlusion film size 2.5 or 3 inch. Answer is B. Corners have sharp angles. It is not true. Except this all are true. 24. Testing the efficiency of passing process during X-ray film processing is done by estimation of residual iodine, residual silver, residual thiosulfate or residual chlorine. Answer is C. Residual thiosulfate. 25. Which of the following radionuclides have shortest half-life? Radioactive iodine, radioactive phosphorus, technetium 99M or radioactive cobalt. Answer is C. Technetium 99M. Annual effective dose of radiation for X-ray technicians is less than 30 msv, 100 msv, 100 m rem or 100 m rem. Answer is A. 30 msv. All of the following are light-saving measures in case of contrast reaction except Injection Rantac, adrenaline, saline infusion or Finargan? Answer is A, Rantac. Injection Rantac is used for gastritis. Thank you. तपाईहरुलाई यदि कुनै डाउट या केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने कृपया कमेन्ट गरेर मलाई सोध्नु होला। म प्रत्येक कमेन्टको एन्सर गर्नेछु र यो भिडियोलाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला र शेयर पनि गर्नु होला। कृपया मेरो च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। यसरी नै म नयाँ भिडियोहरू ल्याउने छु। धन्यवाद।